Oh, yeah, yeah. Yo, hello guys, I'm Kristen.
And my name is Shay.
Today we will make a video about our new puppy.
This is our new puppy. His name is Hershey. He's like a chocolate.
Is in his pocket.
Hershey was given to us by Teresa's friend, Ate Kathleen. He was born on July 5, 2019. He is turning 3 months on October 5.
Our new puppy.
Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how if I'll ever get back.
He is a Shih Tzu. He's a good boy.
Ay, doon ko yung
Shoulder.
Yung best friend kasi Banban.
White rabbit.
By the way, he is our first puppy.
Yay!
He's
Shadow with the flowers.
a good boy. Very good, Hershey, right?
Watch the seconds turn to hours.
I'm talking
It's
to
time
you.
for high tea.
Hershey likes to drink milk and eats dog food. And he's afraid of mops, Mr. Mop. And he is a best friend. Her name is Banban, right? Hershey is his best friend.
Wondering how
Yes,
if
he's
I'll ever get back. Who are you? Who?
It's you. And Hershey, I have a message for you. I hope you grow strong and big. Even though you're just a Shih Tzu, you'll become just like this. That's it for today, guys. I hope you subscribe, like, and share.